New Orleans Public Schools ease COVID-19 restrictions before students return next month.
This school year, the district will keep students in groups to limit contact and exposure as they move around the school. Real Wanda Logan is live with other details.
John, May, good morning. Now, on school buses, all students will be required to wear a face covering, and they'll likely sit in assigned seating. However, vaccinated students and staffers are not required to wear a mask inside the classroom. Now, along with this and other changes, students will likely stay in those groups throughout the school year, similar to what happened in the previous academic year. Now, here are some guidelines for extracurricular activities. School leaders should prioritize outdoor field trips, but if they cannot, the district says all trips will need to follow masking, grouping, and transportation requirements. For band and singing groups, the district says if all students and staff are either vaccinated or taking weekly testing, indoor practices can occur, but they recommend moving practices altogether outdoors when possible. Athletic activities have to follow all guidelines put in place by the LHSAA, and right now medical experts recommend children 12 and older to get the COVID-19 vaccine, but they also say parents should have an informed conversation with their pediatrician and also an honest discussion with their children and ask for their input if they're old enough.
So if the child is playing specific sports or doing outside activities, investigating what is it gonna, as you would do anything that you put your child in, investigating what's the requirement. If the requirement is vaccination, again, thinking about that.
The best way to get back to normal for children and for adults to go back to their routines as they had them before, to be able to get together in groups. In the case of children and adolescents, to go to camp, to go to school in the fall without undue concern, is to be vaccinated.
For right now, the district is requiring all attendees for athletic events in the fall to wear a face covering inside indoor events. Reporting live, Roman Logan, Fox 8, Local First.
Thank you, Real One.